Hey everyone, Nolan from Asia Pacific Gardening here. We recently traveled down to Los Angeles to visit the Huntington Library, and this place is a non-profit funded by gifts and grants from private individuals, corporations, foundations, government agencies, etc. But the purpose of our visit today was to visit the Chinese garden and to meet with Mr. Che, who is a renowned Penjing artist trained in the Lingnan style. And let me tell you, this garden was incredible. Every visible piece of architecture that you see here was sourced from the Suzhou area of China. And the reason for this was because this garden was built based on the actual gardens in the Suzhou area of China. And fun fact, outside of China, the Huntington Library's Chinese garden is the largest Chinese garden in the world. So if you get a chance to visit this 15-acre garden, I highly recommend it. And the Huntington Library is also 200 acres. We spent an entire day with Mr. Che at the Chinese garden alone to look at his work and also, of course, feed the koi fish because they're so much fun. But purpose of this video was for us to show you the beautiful style of Lingnan Penjing because it's so hard to capture, so hard to explain the techniques. So take some time today, sit back, grab a cup of coffee, grab a tea, and enjoy this brief video of the Huntington Library and a small showcase of the dozens and dozens of Mr. Che's Penjing work. Let's go.
Hi everybody, this is Robert from Asia Pacific Gardening. We are located right now at the Huntington Library in California, and this is the owners. We have the artist, Mr. Che, who is in charge to maintain the bonsai garden right here. And looking at the garden, the bonsai is a different style than you used to be looking at. This is we call Lingnan style, okay? And we're going to introduce the Mr. Che art this garden, and we have a lot of a display right here. If you come in this here and you welcome this check here, and Mr. Che have a YouTube channel too, you can follow up his YouTube channel too.
Yeah, his YouTube is the man behind the Penjing. Check in the description, give him a follow, learn a lot of valuable information.
Let's take a look at some of the history collection right here, and you can learn and see what he's doing. He's been doing bonsai for many years, and you will enjoy the look this. Follow us.
All right, so let's take a close-up look at the detail of the Lingnan style. And the Lingnan style, we try to achieve the most natural look of a tree without using any wires. This is completely clip and grow. If you look at the details of the movement, how precise each movement is. And the way they train some of the movements here, they don't use aluminum wires, they use nylon strings, nylon ropes, and they tie it down. And because this tree is trained outside the elements, the weather will slowly and naturally erode the string and it'll just pop off and the tree will grow more natural. Look at this. Look at the movement. This is incredible. Everything is fine pruned, clip and grow. And it takes years and years to achieve this level of refinement. Lingnan style is one of my personal favorite styles. Takes a ton of work. But this is just incredible. This is a Chinese elm, by the way. Look at this.
Wow, look at this tree. That high, you can see how high it is. Incredible art right here that they're training. You can see all the detail, all the tree, using the structure and building up is as close to the nature as close as possible. This is what Lingnan style to try to introduce to the people who's going to training the tree. And of course there's many different techniques, but you can see the finish of the tree, how beautiful this tree right here. This is the literary style right here, and you can see very peaceful, and you can see if you stand it on the side, give you more peaceful feeling right here. Wow, look at this tree. If you're looking at it from inside, it's like a natural forest. And this all the tree is donated by Mr. Che to the Huntington Library, and make this art right here is a 2019, and two artists from China, Mr. Huang, Mr. Lu, and Mr. Che, the one grouped together this, and this pot is a special order from the factory and bring into the demo right on this garden right here. And this is the good memory because three of them and is a Mr. Che, when they grew up together, they are good close friend, Mr. Huang and Mr. Lu, and they're all the famous in the Penjing style too, and especially the Lingnan style. This is not just a group plan. You can see the layout is really freedom, and you can see this is really open art from the big and small and different layout. If you're looking at the tree, the small one in the front, that's mean for the long distance view. But if you put the big tree in the front, that would be short view. So that's a different looking at. It doesn't matter what you want to do, but the natural grow, you're not growing the tree like in the park. So this is all you can see. And this is all his art right here. Is my friend Mr. Che is really famous, and he's probably the very famous in the Lingnan style in Los Angeles area right here. If you come to Huntington Library Garden right here, you see most of this tree right here is collected from his art.
The detail, look, every single branch is meticulously pruned. No aluminum wire. This is crazy.
We're coming to that tree right here. This has been training. When they come here is with this overgrowth. The main structure, this main structure right here. But the detail artist, Mr. Che, using the wire technique too, but the concept of the wire also the training the tree as a Lingnan style. And you can see, come over here, the camera, you can see the decal right here. Every 2 inches have the angle, and using the nice wire structure and open up. But again, see, like in our previous video, we always talking about every single section. You can see is this nice bonsai right here, nice Penjing. Every single section. It's not only the whole tree. This is like the cascade, right? And this is nice small bonsai right here. Look at this. If you put the pot right here, and
go over here and see.
Over right here.
Yeah, put a pot right there. And even
this side. You can see here. This is nice cascade. You can the layout. It's really 3D dimension on the whole art right here.
This is a San Jose juniper. This is beautiful.
And this is the handmade pot.
Wiring technique. Wow.
This is another art made by Mr. Che. How many years?
差唔多有35年。
So approximately 35 years been training the tree with the small stop and growing in the ground and take it out like this tree. This is the traditional Lingnan style. You can see every detail. They always have the space in between. If you're looking at, again, like the one period of a Penjing, every section the training as the detail as a Penjing. We're not only training the tree outside, yeah. And this has spent a lot of time, even right here. Let me try to put my hand right here as a background. Look at this here, the detail. Every small, every inches or 2 inches have the one detail angle right here. This is the not wiring. This is the use the pruning grill. Now the camera guy Nolan is on the front of the tree and looking at the tree from the bottom to up. You can see it's really good detail. This is the front side of the tree on the display. Actually, you can see from both sides, but this is the best side probably. And from if you're looking at the tree, the display right here. This pot probably 30.
Yeah,
but
that's 40 some inches.
40 some inches pot right here, and you can see the tree how high. You can see my size right here. This is really good detail. They still have some principle of how to do the Penjing, but looking at the detail, that's take time. Don't be surprised. It's a take time and little bit technique right there. But if you spend 30 some years, you see the art like this, and you can see Mr. Che still happy right here working in the Huntington Garden, and this is his credit. It's definitely his credit. As it's the owners with us, you can see his art right here is really, really good memory. Come over here if you're in Los Angeles area, Huntington Library, this Chinese garden, Penjing, most of them is his art right here. I just asked the artist, Mr. Che, about how to do the maintenance of the Lingnan style Penjing. This is the Chinese elm, and suggest in the winter time you defoliate all the leaf. Is take fast, probably 4 weeks to 6 weeks. The new leaf will come up. Why we do this, that Mr. Che telling us, because the tree, the leaf will be in the different schedule, old leaf and small and young leaf, they will be massive right here. So if you can defoliate all of them, they will coming back in the same schedule. So that's why you can see the proportion, the tree, the branches, the leaf, the detail. Of course, this leaf will be getting bigger pretty soon, probably another month or 2 months, that go back to the regular size. But you can see this is the best view right now, and for the looking at the art right here.
It's like a regular forest. No, my dad Robert just looks like a giant. Look at the detail. This is crazy.
This is the San Jose juniper, and Mr. Che been training this tree more than 20 years from the nursery stock. Look at this, his Lingnan style training. You can see the structure. You still see the foliage green, but you can see the structure. It's not like fully like a cover all the structure, but you can see every detailed structure is open to you to looking at. You can see the bottom right here. This is still also using the wire because the tree is different, climate different. When we need the wire, now we can use the wire.
Looking top down. Look at that.
Let me put my hand in the background.
This棵樹係淨係你掂過。He's the only person who has touched this tree. 100%.
No, I'm
Mr.
touching
Chase.
too.
No. Doesn't work like that. That's incredible.
Now, we want to introduce you, this is also Mr. Che art. It's a Lingnan style. Remember, when you're looking at a Lingnan style, a lot of artists, they have the one long drop branches like here is mean like a welcome. You can see without this, a lot of people will be cut it off. This maybe, okay, not necessary, but you can see without these branches will be different looking. The art value is a different. Now with the whole thing, with the whole branches right, give you a different feeling of the art of this Penjing style. This plant here with the long branches is like welcome.
And that's the signature of Mr. Che's teacher.
A lot of Lingnan style tree right now, people appreciate this art, and this is a good art. You can learn about this.
It's a big tree. Let's take a look at the branch again. Oh my goodness.
That is incredible. Wow.
Look at the tree from below. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. Oh my goodness. Maybe I'll use this as a thumbnail. That looks crazy. This right here is a black pine by Mr. Che. He's been working on it for 20 some odd years. Again, look at the ramifications. You can see all the details through the pine needles. And if you notice here, his soil substrate is 100% pumice. And when he uses pumice, the results for the needles, they're very sturdy. It's like a porcupine. Like this kind of stings. So he says using 100% pumice yields the best results with the strongest needles. So give that a try. And from down below, that is incredible. Dang.
You take a set. This is the art, the one Mr. Che with the Mr. Huang Jiu Wei, who is my teacher. And you see his video interview on the past YouTube video, and this the whole thing. And even looking at the detail of the tree first, the layout of the tree, even the stone, even the small tiny like this.
The tiny
One
detail
is a part of the art too. So you can see the artist how detailed to working on the tree, and really nice, good finish of Penjing style waterland garden right here. And remember, we are in Los Angeles area. The climate is really, really good for the plant like this.
Yeah, right now it's winter and it's 72 degrees. That's Seattle summer.
Look at this Nelorati and the detail, the size of the trunk, like this. Follow me. Going up to the top.
Oh, Lord. It's a Lingnan style literati right there.
Yep.
If you have not been to the Huntington Library, you should visit.
And come visit the Chinese garden part.
Yeah, don't go to Huntington Gardens. That's a different place. Huntington Library. We almost went to the wrong place this morning. Look at that. So here's a look at a Lingnan style in training. It's not showcase ready. You see how there's all these long branches that they let grow. You let it grow and then you clip back, and you let it grow and you clip back. So mid training, it looks like this. So this piece here eventually will get cut, and then it changes direction. Let that grow, cut again, change direction. Let that grow, cut, change direction. Let that grow. So Lingnan takes forever. Takes a long time, but it ends up with really, really clear and intense ramifications. These are all mid-training. And next we're going to take you to Mr. Che's actual home, where we can see more incredible work.